you know that hidden fees in your investment portfolio could be quietly draining thousands of dollars from your hard-earned savings over time? According to recent studies, the average investor loses over 1% of their returns annually to undisclosed fees, and that might not sound like much, but over 20 years, it could add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Imagine working hard for decades only to lose a massive chunk of your returns without realizing it. What if I told you these fees are hiding in plain sight? In today's video, I'm diving deep into my own investment portfolio to uncover these hidden costs. Trust me, what I found might surprise you, and it might just change how you invest. Stick around till the end for actionable tips on how to protect your investments. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk about making smart financial moves and staying one step ahead of the game. Today's topic is inspired by none other than Suze Orman, one of the most trusted voices in personal finance. If you've followed her work, you know she's passionate about helping people protect their money. And one of the biggest threats she warns us about? Hidden fees in investment portfolios. These are fees you might not even know you're paying, but they can quietly eat away at your returns and jeopardize your financial future. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what these hidden fees are, how they impact your investments over time, and most importantly, how you can identify and minimize them. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to protect your hard-earned money. So grab a notebook, because this is information you won't want to miss. Let's start by understanding the scope of the problem. Here's the thing. Many investors don't even realize they're being charged fees beyond the obvious ones. Sure, you might see a management fee listed up front, but what about the ones buried in the fine print? These hidden costs might seem small at first, maybe 0.5% here, a couple of dollars there, but over time, they can dramatically reduce your returns. To illustrate this, imagine you're earning an average of 7% annually on your portfolio. If 1.5% of that is going to hidden fees, you're effectively only earning 5.5% each year. That difference might seem tiny today, but over time, it compounds, leaving you with significantly less for retirement. In fact, studies show that a difference of just 1% in fees can reduce your portfolio value by 20% or more over a 30-year investment horizon. And here's something else to consider. Even if you're working with a financial advisor, they might not always disclose every single fee you're paying. That's why it's so important to educate yourself and stay vigilant. Now let's break down the 3 major types of hidden fees you need to watch out for. Understanding these will help you take control of your investments and avoid unnecessary costs. Management fees. These are the fees charged by financial advisors or robo-advisors to manage your investments. They can range from 0.25% to over 1% annually. While that might not sound like much, on a $100,000 portfolio, a 1% fee is $1,000 per year. Trading fees. Every time your advisor buys or sells a stock or fund, you might be hit with a transaction fee. These can range from a few dollars to hundreds, depending on the brokerage and the type of trade. If your portfolio is actively traded, these fees can quickly add up. Expense ratios. Mutual funds and ETFs often come with an internal cost called an expense ratio. This fee covers the cost of running the fund and can range from 0.03% to more than 2% annually. Over time, these fees can quietly chip away at your returns. Let's take a closer look at a real-world example. Imagine you have a $100,000 portfolio, and you're paying a total of 1.5% in hidden fees annually. That's $1,500 per year in fees. Over 20 years, Assuming the same fee structure, that's $30,000 gone. And that's not even factoring in the lost potential growth of that money if it had remained invested. What can you do about it? Start by reviewing your investment statements carefully. Look for any line items labeled advisory fees, transaction fees, or expense ratios. If you're not sure what a fee is for, don't hesitate to ask your advisor for clarification. And here's a bonus tip. If you're investing in mutual funds, pay attention to their turnover rates. High turnover often translates to higher trading fees. Opt for funds with lower turnover rates whenever possible. Here's a key moment that really hit home for me. Suze Orman once said, "It's not what you make, it's what you keep that determines financial freedom." And she's absolutely right. When you factor in compounding, even a seemingly small fee can devastate your long-term growth. Think of it this way. Paying just 1% more in fees can mean retiring with 20% less money. That's the price of not being vigilant about your investment costs. One of the most surprising truths I discovered while analyzing my own portfolio was just how many small fees were scattered throughout my investments, fees I hadn't even noticed before. Individually, they didn't seem like a big deal. But when I added them up over time, the numbers were shocking. If you're watching this and thinking, what can I do to protect myself? Here's my advice. Start by moving your money into low-cost index funds. These often have much lower expense ratios than actively managed funds. Additionally, consider working with a fee-only financial advisor who is transparent about their pricing. So, let's recap what we've covered today. Hidden fees like management fees, trading costs, and expense ratios can quietly erode your returns. Over time, these fees can add up to tens of thousands of dollars, significantly impacting your financial future. The key takeaway? Be proactive. Review your investment statements, ask questions, and look for low-cost investment options. Another important reminder: automate your savings and reinvest dividends to offset the impact of fees wherever possible. Even small proactive steps can make a huge difference over time. Remember, it's not just about what you earn, it's about what you keep. By staying informed and vigilant, you can protect your hard-earned money and ensure it works as hard for you as possible. I'd love to hear from you. Have you discovered hidden fees in your own investments? What strategies have you used to reduce them? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I've also linked another video here on smart investment strategies that I think you'll find valuable. Until next time, stay savvy and keep growing your wealth.